This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and choosing Songmaker so you can layer parts. Set tempo near 140 BPM and pick a minor scale to match the Thunderstruck feel. Once done, switch the grid to 16 steps and confirm 4/4 time because that gives the driving pulse you need. Make sure to select an electric-sounding lead or synth for the main riff so it cuts through when you add drums and bass later. Now you program the main riff. Place short 8th note hits across the 16-step grid using the lead voice. Focus on octave jumps and repeated hammer-on style patterns because they recreate that guitar attack. Once the bass pattern is solid, duplicate the riff every 4 bars to maintain consistency, and insert small variations on bars 3 and 7 to keep momentum. Make sure to nudge note timing with tiny offsets if the tool allows. That humanizes the performance and prevents a robotic loop. Finish by adding a tight rhythm section. Program a punchy kick and snare pattern, and place cymbal accents on beats 2 and 4 so the riff breathes. Then add a bass line that follows the root notes to anchor harmony and exaggerate the downbeats. Once balanced, reduce lead reverb a bit to cut through the mix. If you hear timing drift or clipping, lower the sample volume or reduce polyphony. That troubleshooting step often fixes muddiness without changing your arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.